back with another of Cocktail Tony's famous cocktails. Right now, I'm going to start the show off like usual. I'm going to give shout outs. One shout out goes to my camera person, Maui Karen Ann. You got to get on her channel and watch her channel. She does some awesome work, don't you?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome work. Awesome work. And also, Cocktail Tony. He's got the best channel going. It's almost as good as Maui Karen Ann, if not better. The reason why it might not be, it's better is because we're drinking.
Yeah, that's for sure.
We're drinking cocktails.
That's it.
And now, Postcard and a Pint. You got to get on and watch them. They do an awesome show. And also, FX Wales with Anna and Alf. And you got to catch Alf jogging. He's funny. Today I'm going to make a drink called the French 75 with a twist. I'll tell you what the twist is later. I know all of you might know what a French 75 is. Did you know that the French 75 was invented at Harry's New York bar in Paris in 1915? They also invented the Bloody Mary, so I read, the Bloody Mary, the sidecar, and my favorite cocktail of all, Between the Sheets. We love those cocktails. I guess this might be a quick show because it's a quick drink. Here we go. Oh, here we go. I forgot to open this. Here we go. We're going.
We're going.
I forgot to open it. There you go. We're going to put in 1.5 ounces of gin. 1.5 ounces of gin. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. And now the twist. This is the twist. 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Chambord. Chambord is French. Did you know that Chambord is French?
Yeah.
It's French.
It's French.
It's French.
Ooh la la.
I need a French kiss. We gotta shake this up, and I poured it in the wrong container. I don't have a top for that one. Whoa, baby!
Shake
It's
it.
all new. It's all new to me. Shaking it with a smile, Dave. Dave, I'm shaking with a smile. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. And you got to put in 3 ounces of champagne. Then we got to pour. We got to pour. We got to pour. It's all pour. Pour. Pour.
Pour.
Pour. Is that how you say it? Pour.
I believe it is. Wow, perfect.
I'm a bartender. No, I'm
Good
not.
job.
I'm a Tony tender. I tend to Tony making tender bar. And a cherry and a lemon for garnish with an umbrella. Does it get any better?
No.
Does it get any better? The champagne gives it a slight pinkish tint. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a slight pinkish tint to that.
The Chambord does.
The Chambord. French 75. It was named after the French 75mm field gun. That's what it was named after, because people thought it was potent enough to make it strong and get it out there. Anyhow, I hope you got your vaccine. Forget this. Just forget it. Forget it. Don't need it no more. You need it when you fly. When you fly, wear a mask. Say hello to your mama, Cocktail Tony, and Maui Karen Ann. Over and out.